Oh my god! Oh my god! Come on!
Are you still with
Jaguar,
It should be more than once a year. Gonna have to stick that on.
There's the
Yeah, because
it sits under this massive.
I paid a lot of money for it. Yeah, I mean,
Steering license steering box on it, which is bronze. So no bearing. We've made the best of it. Decided eventually it required too much damage.
Oh, pictures, both of them.
Steering and
This one is a racing one.
it's not heavy. It's heavy. When you're
Like the one that I have at
but you're not meant to turn the wheels when you're standing. That sounds good. Where are that carbon?
So my dad was the breadwinner for the family, and he worked with his cousins who ran this delivery company, which was very boom and bust, like the economy. So when they were doing well, my father was driving around with jacks, delivering stuff, and when it wasn't going well, he was driving around in like mini club ones, you know, the mini estates and stuff like that.
Enjoy building. Unfortunately, passed away. And drove it twice.
Well, please come and find us in the information market centre.
Look, Jack's there. Daddy, you have that?
The old XKs. The old Paris Blue. That's nice.
Yeah.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
Is it just sitting at work?
I did another coat for you.
Yeah, the new one.